Welcome to the DoubleHorn Customer Experience Portal. This dashboard provides the tools to review your billing information, make predictions about future cloud spend, and manage your DoubleHorn support tickets. After logging in, you will be shown the portal homepage. The graph represents your billing overview. Each column represents 1 month's actual, budgeted, or predicted billing. The lines represent accumulated totals. You can hover over any bar or line to see the numerical value. In the right-hand column, you will find some useful tools, including a summary of the current Lifter Cloud Index scores, the most recent Lifter Cloud Look-Ahead video, a link to the DoubleHorn Cloud Modeler and Cloud Regions tool, and a list of frequently asked questions. The quick links at the bottom will take you to community forum areas for each kind of service. From the main menu, you can find some additional features to help you utilize the DoubleHorn Customer Experience Portal. At the top, you can reach Topics, Support, and the Files section. These areas allow you to manage support tickets easily, share files with DoubleHorn support, and participate in community discussion. For a more detailed insight into your cloud billing data, check out the Account tab. The Account tab contains billing history reports for each vendor that can be segmented by month for a selected data range. At the bottom, you can download past invoices in PDF format. You can use the drop-down menu to segment by account or view your totals by selecting DoubleHorn Billing. Once segmented, your graph will reflect only the chosen account's data. Just like the overview graph, hover over data points for exact values. On the left-hand side, you can also view notable changes, information by product group, or adjust your billing settings. You can also click into any bar on the graph to take you to Notable Changes. Notable Changes displays last month and this month's total cost side by side and displays the delta in actual dollars and percentage. Below, costs are displayed by service and by month to demonstrate what impacted overall billing changes. This allows users to see the usage changes that had the greatest impact on their billing, positive or negative. Hover over any bar for additional information. Click into any product group to view detailed information only on that group. This will display extended billing information for just that product group, as well as predicted future values and accumulated totals. Click on the Product Group tab to view all product groups on a monthly basis. Hover over sections for detailed values. You can click into any product group to return to the specific historical product group information. In the Billing Settings section, you can set your budget information for each month of the coming year in dollars. At the bottom, you can toggle alerts for forecast deviations of greater than 5%. After saving, return to your total billing to view your new forecasted budget. Interested in learning more about the DoubleHorn Customer Experience Portal? Visit us at doublehorn.com for details on our tools and services.